What does creativity look like in this unprecedented time? Who will be our leaders? Who will design our future? Will you be a part of the change? At the Daniels Faculty of Architecture, Landscape and Design at the University of Toronto, we are ready to move forward, together. During this challenging time, our community has come together to find new, innovative ways to teach, to learn, and to design. Starting in year one, we bring the world to you, with innovative and exciting instructors who have been through it, done the work, solved problems, and who lead the discussion. So join us. We're ready to work with you, to unite as a school, as designers, and as leaders.